in for a ride. As you can see, the water is wet. So I finally picked my truck up. I forgot to record earlier. I was just wound up. We were in a hurry. They almost closed. Well, the dealership is right there across the highway. So all I had to do was take a service road and come over here, and we were bowling with the homies. And I was hoping that the couple hours that we were bowling, that the ground would dry up. And as you can see, it has not. So we get to drive this bitch in the rain with my air filter on top of the passenger side tire and hope that we don't get it wet and hydrolock this 5.3. We'll see what happens, boys. Wish me luck. Oh yeah, and my windshield wipers, about those, they're kind of like, don't work. So we're gonna hope that the highway is semi-dry because of the amount of traffic that's on the highway, you know, like that sounds logical, right? So we're going to try to hop on the highway and hope that the ground is dry, and hope that we can make it home without locking this motor up from water. So wish me luck, boys. All right, boys, we're at highway speed. I can't see shit. These headlights suck. My tablet's dead. Nothing lights up. My windshield wipers do not work, so we got a wiring issue there. Hopefully I just left the wiper motor unplugged, I don't know. But we're doing okay. The truck's driving fine. It's not acting like it's missing or nothing, so hopefully we can make it. I think we'll be all right, I hope. All right, we're on the home stretch. I know y'all can't see shit. I can't see shit. My headlights fucking suck. They're probably from 1995, but anyways, we're coming up on our exit. It's a mile away, and it started raining pretty good, so let's hope that filter holds out, boys. We're almost there. I'm so nervous. Cross your fingers. So the hazard button is like broken, so it just kind of does its own thing. It's kind of weird, but other than that, we made it. What do you think of the Flowmaster 40s?
I like them.
They're all right. I like the idle, but I don't like how it sounds when it's revved up.
It sounded good when you just got on it.
Did it? It's that old school sound.
Yeah, that's what I like.
That's what it is. I don't know. We got plenty of time to mess with it. So we made it home. It's Friday night, so I got plenty of time this weekend to do a couple things in the evenings. We're helping my brother-in-law move, so that'll take up most of the day, Saturday and Sunday, but I'll find some time to do a couple things. We got to change our spark plug wires. Probably could use a new set of plugs by now. I got to figure out the hazard light deal. Got to finish bleeding the brakes because they didn't get that done at the dealership. They didn't have time. So a couple other little things to touch up, but moral of the story is we made it home. I really thought we weren't going to make it, but we did, in the rain with water going right on the air filter, and it's here. So thank God above that I made it here safe. I didn't slide, I didn't spin out, I didn't hit the barrier, nothing. We made it here, the motor didn't blow up. I can't ask for anything else. So on that note, guys, remember to be human. Peace out. I'll see you later.